Take your freeze-dried strawberries. Yes, that is right. Check these out. These are freeze-dried strawberries. They're super light and airy. I got a question, Eitan, can you turn freeze-dried strawberries into jam? I honestly don't know, but I feel like you probably can. So I'm just going to take those freeze-dried strawberries and we are rehydrating them because they are dehydrated. Freeze-dried is basically dehydration. And so the question is, can we rehydrate them with our orange juice and our sugar and turn it into jam? I don't know, but guess what? We're gonna find out together. So take your freeze-dried strawberries back into the air fryer, turn it on 400, boom, air fry. Ooh, okay. Maybe I overcooked them slightly, but that's okay. Just mix that up. And they are definitely starting to get rehydrated. Ooh, okay, this is very cool. Now, I think this is gonna be very flavorful. I'm gonna now keep on air frying this. Let's keep on hydrating them, and then this is soon gonna become jam. I actually, at this point in the process, I entirely think this is gonna work. Okay, ooh, look in there. Look at that beauty. Now, watch this. Just take our rehydrated and cooked freeze-dried strawberries, and those go straight into the food processor. Now, don't fill it too much, especially because it's hot. And now we are just going to process this, and it should turn into jam. Ready for it? Whoa! Yum. Okay, ready for this? Oh, look at that thick jam. Now, because of the way that we made this with the freeze-dried, get close, the freeze-dried strawberries, look how thick that jam is. It's gonna thicken even more once you pop that in the fridge. Oh my God, that's beautiful. Wow, that was seriously incredible. Oh my God, I'm gonna go blend up the rest of this jam. This is like so concentrated. Like if you love strawberries, you're gonna go crazy for this. Let's make Dubai chocolate covered strawberries. Let's give it a try. That is absolutely heavenly. Look at that interior. I just burnt this spaghetti on purpose. Here's why. Believe it or not, this is a traditional Italian pasta dish called spaghetti alla Sisana, assassin spaghetti. It is from Bari, Italy, and legend has it the name comes from either the idea that you are killing the spaghetti by burning it, or that it is so spicy that the heat could kill you. Look at that perfect burnt spaghetti. If your bone broth doesn't jiggle, then I don't want it. Today I'm showing you how to make bone broth from scratch because it is ridiculously easy. You just take tons of chicken bones, your aromatics, your veg, lots of water, and the most important ingredient is time. You want to let it simmer low and slow for at least 6 hours until you get a nice golden broth. I like to put it in the fridge overnight, and it turns into this gelatinous consistency. That's how you know it's good. I like to have a little cup of it every morning. It is nutritious and delicious.